Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update.
Hi. In the past week, there have been many interesting updates from the world of MBA. The MBA program of one of the world's top business schools is now STEM certified, and the GMAT has announced massive changes to its online testing format after a lot of protests from test takers. Let's take a look at 5 of the latest updates, beginning with updates from an IIM. IIM Rohtak will shift its flagship MBA program online for its second year students. This change will not yet be applicable for the incoming batch of students at IIM Rohtak. And this news comes after IIM Bangalore also announced that it would be shifting its PGP program for second year students online. And many other IIMs have already shifted their executive programs online. Now, the only question that remains is that will the IIMs and other top business schools shift their MBA programs online for the incoming batch of 2022? We're awaiting more updates on the same. Imagine if you were solving the quant section of the CAT exam, and in those 60 minutes, you could not use a single sheet of paper or a pen or a pencil. All you could do was use your mouse to draw shapes, solve equations, or do any kind of minor calculations on an online whiteboard. Does that sound like a nightmare? Because that's exactly what students who have been attempting the GMAT have gone through in recent times due to the coronavirus. These students have taken the online version of the GMAT after many GMAT testing centers have been closed due to the coronavirus crisis. Because of the online whiteboard and its complexity, many GMAT aspirants have actually switched to the GRE. And in fact, many GMAT aspirants have been reported traveling hundreds of kilometers just to find an open GMAT testing center so that they can avoid the online test. After pushback from test takers for 2 months, GMAT has finally announced that all GMAT test takers will be allowed to use a physical whiteboard during the course of their exam. This comes as a huge relief to thousands of test takers who had in fact signed a lot of petitions and had spoken out in frustration due to the complexity of the online exam. In recent times, a lot of top US business schools have been chasing the STEM certification for their MBA programs. This is primarily done to increase international applications to their MBA programs. After top-notch business schools like Columbia, Kellogg, Yale, MIT Sloan School of Management, and Chicago Booth announced that their MBA programs are now STEM certified, Stanford University's Graduate School of Business has also announced that its MBA program is now STEM certified. But what is the importance of a STEM MBA program? To put it briefly, a STEM MBA graduate is eligible to work in the US for 2 years more than a regular MBA graduate. We've explained this in further detail in a video. Please do check it out. COVID-19 has presented a massive challenge for business schools abroad, including business schools as preeminent as the Harvard Business School. Usually, the batch size at the Harvard Business School is around 900 students, but this year that batch size has gone to just above 700 students. That's a deficit of about 200 students. And by the way, this is after the Harvard Business School dove into its waitlist to give admission offers to students. This has been the smallest batch size at HBS since the 1950s. Challenges like the coronavirus and the tough immigration policies of the US for students has probably affected admissions at the Harvard Business School. However, HBS has recently been approved for a STEM certification for its MBA program, which could help improve its application numbers and its batch size for the batch of 2023. Let's end this episode on a good note by taking a look at some great news that has come from the corporate world. We had earlier reported in May that Swiggy had laid off 1,100 employees due to the impact of the coronavirus on the company's revenues. Now, in some great news, it has been revealed by the VP of HR at Swiggy that the company is actually helping ex-employees find jobs. The company is helping its employees that it has laid off in updating their resumes and is also providing medical insurance as well as counseling services. This comes as great news at a bleak time when many are struggling to find jobs. That's all for today. I'll see you next week with more updates from the world of MBA and business.
Hi guys, Inside IM has come up with an exciting new one-on-one mentorship product where you get to interact with superstar managers from different businesses, different functions. You can ask them everything around your career, your education, your future success. If you are interested, the link is in the description below. Thanks.